Have you ever thought about visiting Sekumpul Waterfall? For me, it was a must do on our trip, along with King Beach. Our day was made ever so much more special by having Dandy as our guide. Won't you come along? Made was a wonderful driver. We spent the better part of the day driving from Kintamani and Mount Batur to our next place, which was Tiamo, Bali. And you can see him in the video in the description below our Bali friends.
No spice, no life.
And we're gonna have a good time seeing Sekumpul. Sekumpul.
Yes, Sekumpul. Sekumpul is a name of village, and then take the Sekumpul waterfall. This take the name from my village also, Sekumpul, and then waterfall because all the waterfall in here, around 7 waterfall, and then one place like that. I think
Hmm.
I call it Sekumpul because all.
Okay.
Thank you. Pada saya gimana sih? Gimana? Can I give you cake?
Oh.
No, thank you.
This inside is have a jackfruit,
Oh, jackfruit. Yes.
like the banana banana apa namanya?
We we know we know jackfruit. Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
Very
it's good.
Mm-hmm.
My wife is from Brazil.
Uh-huh.
They have jackfruit in Brazil.
Oh, in Brazil.
Hmm.
Oh, you're from Brazil?
Brazil, yes.
Oh, you have coffee also every day?
Hmm. Yeah,
I
we
know,
have coffee.
because before around 1 month ago,
Mm-hmm.
I go with people from Brazil come here,
Hmm.
Ah, okay,
and then
good.
also know everything in here,
Mm-hmm.
like the cacao.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
This one and mango.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Thank you.
Yes.
Suksuma.
Notice the railing in this clip. He stopped and introduced us to his family. His little boy was so shy, but at the end of the video, you'll see what Dandy does with the railing.
Okay, this is the first fall we've seen today, and this is Fiji waterfall. I have a drone. Where's a good place to fly that?
it's better you can apply here.
Not here.
Yeah.
Down there is better.
Down there, I think not so good because a little bit singing. You
It's
can
the-
apply around on the 5 until 7 meters, not too high.
This is the most famous waterfall in Bali, right?
Yeah. Sekumpul Waterfall is famous.
It's really not that difficult being here. I'm glad you came.
Later, you can make picture also.
Over there. And so we're headed to the Hidden Falls now, right?
Huh?
Hidden Falls?
Hidden.
Yes.
Yeah, hidden.
So we're come into the actual falls part of Hidden Falls.
Here's an aerial view of the approach to Hidden Falls, and that's the professor waving in the stream, and Dandy and I on the left.
Dandi, where are we going now?
Sekumpul Waterfall.
Sekumpul?
Yeah. Benar.
Oh, look, there's a waterfall. And I'm going to stop it here, and I think I'll do a slow motion, maybe not. So here's one of the other river crossings, and this one does have a rope. And there's the path beyond. So this is that falls on the right. What you don't see when you come in across the bridge is that there's at least 3 major falls. Actually, now that I'm starting to pan to my left, I think there's 4. And I'm sitting on a rock, so I'm going to reposition. Now go back and up just a little bit. Try to stay in the shade and try to get the top. Change pose.
Well, as promised, have a look and see how happy this little boy is when his daddy's home.
Đây đó, đây đó, đây đó.